What's up, everybody? It's Josh with Fighting Adventures. Today we're in Llano, Texas, and we're gonna check out some rivers here. We're gonna do a little river treasure hunting and see what we can find. So let's go check it out. All right, I'll find some treasure, bud.
Treasure time.
Yeah, here we go. All right, guys, we're at our next spot here. Came down, actually we went up the river a little bit to another spot. So we're gonna search in here, see what we can find. Hopefully we find something. We didn't have too much luck at the last spot. Found a bunch of trash, which we picked up, which we're gonna throw away earlier. You know, another thing to kind of keep in mind is make sure you find you a spot that's where you can park, that's no one's gonna get mad at you. This here's it's a public lease from the store. There's a store up the road and they let you park here with no problems, no issues. Now let's jump back in the water. We'll see what we can find. It's a good one.
There you go.
Hell yeah. Oh, cheapy pair. I don't think they're gonna clean up. Hey, actually I'll pick up your trash. Always do your part and pick up a little bit extra, even if it ain't yours. Well, we didn't find a lot of treasure, but we found some. Got a sandal, golf ball. This is a tooth off of like a backhoe bucket for digging. And then I guess the best find of the day was these old glasses here. They were just some cheapy pair of polarized sunglasses, but they're missing a side, so I don't think I'll be able to wear them. And we got a tube that we found. And we'll be able to use that in the next video to carry some of our stuff, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you really like the video. Also, if you really like the video, hit the notification bell so you can see all the videos that we're going to be posting up. Again, thank y'all for watching. Finding Adventures. I'm Josh. We'll see you next time.